Many fans, especially in my age, they're used to bang bang and high revving engines and rally cars or race car doesn't matter. But the drivetrain gives a different noise and for sure much less. And I don't say that Formula One or other categories will be boring or more exciting. I think it's just a part of the development in the world that you have to get used to. For the driver, the biggest difference, you have no gearbox in this one, so the sound is also different and the inertia from the engine. So normally when I come to a braking point, you brake, you feel the engine rev drop, then you change down the gears and you can feel the speed reduction. Here it's a constant regen brake, so it's difficult to feel what speed you are carrying. And on the actual race inside, out of the corner, the inertia of the engine is so much less compared to a combustion engine that when you hit the gas too much, the car reacts so fast that you have to be very, very, very smooth to not overspin the tires. For me, fun to drive means that you have a car that is easy to handle, fast rotating, and that it does what I want as a driver, because then I can place the car, I don't have much understeer, I don't have much oversteer, it's very agile.
And what about drifting?
For me, for sure, I also like the fun in the winter or on gravel. So when it's slippery, to put the car sideways, four-wheel drive, keep the wheels sliding, go over jumps and crest, that's also a lot of fun. But I would say circuit racing has its own charm, and then gravel and snow and ice is a different story.